Stop snore, full instruction. Snore can ruin the lives. Everyone needs and deserves good calm sleep without disturbance. Therefore, people suffering by snore must put time and effort to cure them soon as possible. Snoring happens when you can't move air freely through your nose and throat during sleep. This makes the surrounding tissues vibrate, which produces the snoring sound. This is a picture of how this happens. And the Cortesias Cleveland Clinic, this is a very good picture showing the tissues. The instruction given here cuts the trouble in most cases and lets you and your partner rest calm. However, in the cases whenever snore still exists, you should see your doctor for more professional and sophisticated treatment. Keep odors and perfumes away from your bedroom. Many people catch allergies when smell synthetic perfume. Allergies narrows breathing airways. That is the main cause of snore. Sleep on your sides and not on back or chest up to the time you have the problem. Let fresh humid air into your bedroom. Humidity helps stop snore most of the time. Prepare humidifier set, except for cities or places with high humid air. This is a large size vaporizer. You could even make a simple humidity set yourself. Prepare a vase half filled with water and merge a clean towel in it. Put this all in a safe place close to you in your bedroom. You may pour 1 tablespoon vinegar if you like. Eating sweet stuff makes snoring even worse. However, researchers say we need little sweet foods anyway. So have just sufficient sweet only in the morning and not in the evening or afternoon. So is for the fat foods. Stop eating fat foods, especially at the evening. Except for light soup or salad, stop eating 4 hours before going to bed. Quit alcoholic drinks or avoid alcohol before bed. Keep your nasal area very clean. This is done by washing your mouth by normal saline. However, you should read the instruction behind it carefully. Do not drink coffee or tea in the afternoon and evening. Changing sleep orientation and direction is, in some cases, may help. Overweight is one cause of snore. So know your BMI, body mass index. This is good to know if you are in the right weight or not. How to calculate? I'll show you in the next page. You see, using a person's height and weight, the formula is BMI equals to kilogram per meter square, where kilogram is person's weight in kilogram and meter 2 is their height. Unless restricted by your doctor, drink 8 glasses of drinking water each day. All sedative increase snores. Do not take any sedative tablet in the afternoon unless prescribed by your doctor. If you do not have any physical limitation, walk 30 to 50 minutes each day or 1 hour each other day. Any other suitable exercise will also help. Air impurities and electric equipment like electromotors are origin of positive ion, so it is much better not to sleep close to these devices or turn them off during sleep time if possible. Negative ions, unlike positive ions, are good for all. You may also find safe air purifier and ionizer. Raise up your head off your bed. There are also anti-snore mattresses which may help. Allergies increase snore. Keeping pets may produce allergies. Eating and drinking hot or cold food or drinks may cause tongue weakness. Sing a song loud if possible, or repeat this word, kaki, several times. Sometimes you may put your fingers in the same time. In the same time, you may put your finger on your throat. You will notice good deep movements of little tongue. This is a good exercise for strengthening your tongue. Most of the time, weak, loose law is to be blamed for snore. If the above instructions didn't work, then you shall visit your doctor to check for some obstruction in the mouth and nasal area. Remember, snoring can cause high blood pressure for both the one who snores and the other person in the bed.